So let me show you guys how you can do that on Davinci Resolve. This is actually pretty easy. For this, what I have is I have two clips. One is me staring into the camera and one is the screen recording. Both of these clips I will leave down in the description so you can practice along. So what I'll do is I'll just take this screen recording and keep it on top of this footage right here. To make it look like a hologram, what I'll do is first thing I'll right click and make this a new Fusion clip. And then let's come to Fusion, and then under Fusion, selecting this media one, press shift spacebar and select soft glow. So this is too much, so you need to reduce the gain, but you can increase the glow size to a little bit. And what I'll do is I'll just get rid of this red right here, so you'll get that teal color look. So you can see the before and the after. So after this, you come to the edit page, and under inspector, under the composite mode, change this to screen like so. So you'll have something like this. Now you can adjust the position. I'm going to increase the zoom and place it somewhere here, something like this. And you can play with this pitch setting right here. I'll just make it a little bit like this, inclined. So now you need to add in a dynamic zoom. So just enable this dynamic zoom and change this to ease in, and you also need to do that to the clip below. So dynamic zoom and ease in, so you'll have a nice zoom out that's happening. Okay, now let's bring in our blur node. So let's come under effects and search for Gaussian blur under the resolve effects, and I will drag the blur on both of these clips. Now you need to do keyframing. So what I'll do is I'll just start with the clip above and then we will work with the clip below. So here I'll make the strength to like 0.5 in the very first frame of the screen recording. I'll mark a keyframe here. Then I'll go to the frame where I want it to be in focus. So somewhere here. Here I will mark a keyframe on strength and mark it all the way to 0. Then I will go to a couple more frames, and here I'll mark a keyframe again and then go a little bit towards the end and change the strength again to 0.5. So what is happening is first it's out of focus, then it comes to focus, and then again it will go back to out of focus. Now let's work on the clip below. We'll do a similar thing. So in the very first frame, I want it to be in focus. So I'll mark a keyframe and reduce the strength all the way to 0. Now it's in full focus. Now let's see where you want it to be blurry. So we will do the same exact keyframe as per this clip. So let's mark that point. So this is the first frame, and you just go to the next keyframe here. So in this keyframe, the screen recording is fully in focus, but you want the clip behind to be out of focus. So I'll mark the strength to 0.5. Select the next point. So come to the screen recording clip, go to the next point. I have marked a keyframe here. So similarly, I'll mark a keyframe here, and then again the last keyframe. And similarly here, I'll mark a keyframe here. But in this, I want it to be in focus. So you will have something that looks like this. So now the subject is in focus, and then the screen recording is in focus, and then the screen records get blurry, and then the subject gets in focus. Now you can add in a couple of whooshes and sound effects to make it look like this. Now I hope this video was helpful to you. You can use such effects to really elevate your videos and really tell that cinematic story. For those who don't know, I'm Fenzer. I do travel, tech and filmmaking on this channel. So if you're into that sort of stuff, please consider hitting the subscribe button. And we have reached about 6,000 subscribers. That's really huge. Thank you to each and everyone who has supported me in this journey. I'll be doing a lot more tutorials in the coming days, so stay tuned for that. So do let me know what other tutorials you want to watch on this channel, and I'll be happy to try them out and do it out for you. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys had fun with this. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all as always in the next one.